Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher Faiza and this is your English class. Come on everyone. Let's see what we have in our English class. We have the topic about myself. What is myself? Myself means अपने बारे में बात करना. I will tell you about myself and you will tell me about yourself. Okay? Tell me first of all, are you a girl or a boy? I am a girl. You have to tell me your gender. My gender is I am a girl. Okay. Tell me what is your favorite color? I will tell you about my favorite color. My favorite color is red. You will tell me what is your favorite color. I like to play hide and seek. Tell me what do you like to play? I like reading books. You tell me what do you like? Do you like coloring or you like writing or do you like reading? Okay. Now moving toward our activity. We have to do the activity on our book. Come on everyone. Time to move on a book. Okay my lovely learners. This is our activity of all about me. You have to color the picture according to your gender. Are you a boy or a girl? You have to color the picture according to your gender. Like I am a girl. So I will color the picture of the girl. If you are a boy, so you will color the picture of the boy. Okay. I am going to start the coloring. First of all, I will do color in the hair. I am using brown color. You can use any color like black, brown, light brown, the color you like. Or you can color the hair that you have. Yes. Look. It's looking so nice. Now I will use green color for the shirt. I am doing color in a girl because I am a girl. You have to do color according to your gender. If you are a boy, so you will color in the picture of boy. If you are a girl, so you have to color the picture. So you have to color in the picture of girl. I am using brown color for the shoes. Look, my girl is looking so nice. I will use red color for the pant of the girl. Yes, like this. Tell me why I am doing color in the picture of girl. Yes, because I am a girl. You will do color according to your gender. I have completed the activity. Now we have some questions to learn. Who are you? You have to tell. If you are a boy, you have to say I am a boy. Or if you are a girl, you have to say I am a girl. I am a girl. So I will answer this question like I am a girl. What is your name? I will answer this. My name is Faiza. You have to tell your name. How old are you? You have to tell how old are you? Like I am 4 years old or 5 years old. Which color do you like the most? I like red color. You will tell me what is your favorite color. I hope you all have learned all about me very nicely. So please do practice at home. Allah Hafiz.